Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anna Bruce here, and today I'm going to show you why I am wearing white gloves. So let's go. Well, that was fun. So why did I choose to reframe an already framed print? Because she's sold. She's going to her home in Delaware. So I wanted to make sure that the buyer had a fresh frame, one that had never been used, transported, shipped, previously displayed, so that when she received her print, she can just go ahead and hang it on the wall like new. So here she is, the beautiful 12 by 12 framed print of Up in Smoke. She's framed in a deep, almost 2-inch frame with an oversized mat. And the other thing that I really like about framing my prints this way is the white frame. I love white frames for most of my artwork. However, as you can tell, I also love gold frames for my art. Usually though, I like the white because it's fresh, it's crisp, and it's different. So if you're looking to own your own framed print of Up in Smoke, send me a PM below, or be on the lookout for my new Shopify link coming later this spring. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel in order to see all of my speed edits, tutorials, behind the scenes, and anything and everything art related. Have a great day.